On March 11th, the World Health Organization made the declaration of a pandemic amid frustrations that governments weren't acting urgently enough to curb the spread of the deadly coronavirus outbreak. On that day, there were 118,000 confirmed cases worldwide. Now there are more than 28 million, and there have been more than 900,000 deaths.
We mourn the loss of the people who've been lost. We celebrate the bravery of our frontline health workers. We stand with all of those people around the world who have struggled to get by in this pandemic.
In the US, India and Brazil, large outbreaks are continuing. Europe successfully suppressed the virus after Italy and Spain were the most badly hit back in April. But a relaxation of social and hygiene restrictions over the summer has seen a resurgence of cases.
The hard part of this is changing how we are as a global society. And that means every person on the planet is going to need to live differently.
6 months since the pandemic was officially declared, and these COVID skeptics have gathered in Budapest to express their frustration over the restrictions, saying they want their normal lives back. Hungary's hit a new record in its daily infections tally with 718 new cases in the past 24 hours.
But normality isn't returning anytime soon, so experts say do your best to prevent getting infected, particularly because the long-term effects of the disease are unknown.
It is on every one of us to do what we can to slow transmission or stop it altogether. So that means all the individual acts that we can take, no matter how tired you are of this, it isn't going anywhere.
The World Health Organization says it needs significant funding in order to speed up clinical trials and manufacturing of vaccines. And experts warn there are challenges that remain even if a vaccine is developed soon, such as disinformation campaigns and finger-pointing between countries. Health leaders say such geopolitical pressures are not helpful.
The risk of politicization and polarization around issues like vaccines, the issue of nationalism that has come to the fore over the past few months, is detrimental to end this pandemic, because this virus is smart and gets into any crack that we leave open in our social fabric.
What I would hope is that, we use this as an opportunity to say what made us vulnerable, within communities, within countries. How do we fix that? Because none of these problems are unfixable, and they will make us more resilient when it comes to future pandemics.
How long this pandemic will last is still unknown, but what most experts agree on is that a united effort is the best approach.